Hello everyone, I'm back with my next video of WOW session. WOW, that is Words of Wisdom. And today I'm here with another inspiring personality, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla, an American astronaut of Indian origin. She was the first Indian woman in space. Kalpana Chawla was born on the 17th of March 1962 and she died on 1st of February 2003. She was an American astronaut and engineer who was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. Her second flight was on STS-107, the final flight of Space Shuttle Columbia in 2003. Chawla was one of the 7 crew members who died in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster when the spacecraft disintegrated during its re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Chawla was posthumously awarded the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, and several state universities and institutions have been named in her honor. She is regarded as a national hero in India. She was honored by many awards, but the main ones are Congressional Space Medal of Honor, NASA Space Flight Medal, NASA Distinguished Service Medal. Kalpana was born on 17th March 1962 in Karnal of present-day Haryana, India. But her date of birth was later falsified by her family to 1st July 1961 to allow her to become eligible for the matriculation exam. As a child, she was fascinated by aeroplanes and flying. She went to local flying clubs and watched planes with her father. Here we have some nice pictures. Childhood picture of Kalpana Chawla, and on the right side we have the picture of father of Kalpana Chawla. After getting a Bachelor of Engineering degree in Aeronautical Engineering from Punjab Engineering College, India, she moved to the United States in 1982 and obtained a Master of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering from the University of Texas at Arlington in 1984. Chawla went on to earn a second master's in 1986 and a PhD in aerospace engineering in 1988 from the University of Colorado Boulder. Here I have a nice picture of Kalpana. On the right side you can see her as an astronaut, and here is a table telling all about the main things in life. In 1962 she was born in Karnal on the 17th of March. In 1982 she obtained a degree in aeronautical engineering from Punjab Engineering College and moved to USA. In 1988, she obtained the doctorate in aerospace engineering from the University of Colorado. This is the PhD. 1988, same year, she began working at NASA's Ames Research Center, and in 1997, she went on her first space mission, that was the Space Shuttle Columbia and flight STS-87 in 1997, and landed successfully on 5th October 1997. In 1988, she began working at NASA Ames Research Center, where she did computational fluid dynamics, research on vertical and short takeoff and landing concepts. Much of Chawla's research is included in technical journals and conference papers. In 1993, she joined Overset Methods as vice president and research scientist specializing in simulation of moving multiple body problems. Chawla held a certificated flight instructor rating for airplanes, gliders, and commercial pilot licenses for single and multi-engine airplanes, seaplanes, and gliders. After becoming a naturalized US citizen in April 1991, Chawla applied for the NASA Astronaut Corps. She joined the Corps in March 1995 and was selected for her first flight in 1996. Her first space mission began on 19th November 1997 as part of the six-astronaut crew that flew the Space Shuttle Columbia flight STS-87. Chawla was the first Indian woman to go in space. She spoke the following words while traveling in the weightlessness of space: "You are just your intelligence." On her first mission, Chawla traveled over 10.4 million miles in 252 orbits of the Earth, logging more than 372 hours in space. During STS-87, she was responsible for deploying the Spartan satellite, which malfunctioned, necessitating a spacewalk by Winston Scott and Takao Doi to capture the satellite. A 5-month NASA investigation fully exonerated Chawla by identifying errors in software interfaces and the defined procedures of the flight crew and ground control. After the completion of STS-87 post-flight activities, Chawla was assigned to technical positions in the astronaut office to work on space station. In 2001, Chawla was selected for her second flight as part of the crew of STS-107. This mission was repeatedly delayed due to scheduling conflicts and technical problems, such as the July 2002 discovery of cracks in the shuttle engine flow liners. On 16th of January 2003, Chawla finally returned to space aboard Space Shuttle Columbia on the ill-fated STS-107 mission. The crew performed nearly 80 experiments studying Earth and space science, advanced technology development, and astronaut health and safety. Here you can see two pictures of Kalpana Chawla. She is here in the STS-107. During the launch of STS-107 Columbia's 28th mission, a piece of foam insulation broke off from the Space Shuttle external tank and struck the left wing of the orbiter. Previous shuttle launches had seen minor damage from foam shedding, but some engineers suspected that the damage to Columbia was more serious. NASA managers limited the investigation, reasoning that the crew could not have fixed the problem if it had been confirmed. When Columbia re-entered the atmosphere of Earth, the damage allowed hot atmospheric gases to penetrate and destroy the internal wing structure, which caused the spacecraft to become unstable and break apart. After the disaster, Space Shuttle flight operations were suspended for more than 2 years, similar to the aftermath of the Challenger disaster. Construction of the International Space Station was put on hold. The station relied entirely on the Russian Roscosmos State Corporation for resupply for 29 months until shuttle flights resumed with STS-114 and 41 months for crew rotation. This is the picture of the crew that was there in STS-107. We can see Kalpana Chawla on the left side. Chawla died on 1st February 2003 in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster, along with the other 6 crew members when the Columbia disintegrated over Texas during re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere, shortly before it was scheduled to conclude its 28th mission, STS-107. Her remains were identified along with those of the rest of the crew members and were cremated and scattered at the Zion National Park in Utah in accordance with her previous wishes. Kalpana's last message to India was, "I will definitely come back to Earth." This is the picture of STS-107. The first picture shows when the left wing caught fire, and the second one is when the whole shuttle disintegrated into pieces just before entering the Earth's atmosphere. Kalpana is truly an inspiration for all the people of the globe. Some of her inspiring and motivating quotations are, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it, and the perseverance to follow it. Wishing you a great journey." She also says, "Daring to rise, braving the odds, reaching for the stars. Dreams are forever." She always wanted to rise. She wanted to do things that were different, that were odd, that other people were not doing. And she had a vision. That is why she was successful. A girl from a town in India chose to undertake an unorthodox career. She explored planes at a young age and reached the final frontier, an ideal to the youth of India. Kalpana Chawla will always be remembered. This is by Anmol Sikka. Such wonderful lines he has written for Kalpana Chawla. She also used to say, "When you look at the stars and the galaxy, you feel that you are not just from any particular piece of land, but from the solar system." I hope you liked my video, and this video must have inspired many of you. We need to have a vision. We need to have dreams to make them successful. Keep dreaming, keep working hard, leave your comfort zone, struggle, work hard, do not sit. Just keep going on and you will accomplish whatever your dreams are. We'll meet next Wednesday with another inspiring personality. Please give good comments. Some of you don't give, you forget. Please subscribe the channel. If you are a newcomer, press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Do take good care of yourself. Give many likes. Thank you. Bye bye.